Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading firm specializing in electrical CAD drawing services in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience and a team of skilled professionals, Scon Design has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. Our expertise lies in providing high-quality electrical CAD drawings that are accurate, detailed, and compliant with industry standards. When it comes to electrical CAD drawing, precision is of utmost importance. At Scon Design, we understand the significance of accuracy in electrical designs. Our team of experienced CAD drafters ensures that every drawing is meticulously created, taking into account all the necessary technical specifications. Whether it is a residential, commercial, or industrial project, we strive to deliver drawings that meet the specific requirements of our clients. Marathahalli in Bangalore is a bustling hub of technology and innovation, and Scon Design is proud to be a part of this thriving community. Our presence in Marathahalli allows us to cater to the growing demand for electrical CAD drawing services in the area. We work closely with architects, engineers, and contractors to provide them with comprehensive electrical drawings that aid in the smooth execution of their projects. At Scon Design, we utilize advanced CAD software to create detailed electrical drawings. Our team is well versed in using tools like AutoCAD and Revit, which enable us to produce accurate 2D and 3D drawings. We pay attention to every detail, ensuring that all components, symbols, and dimensions are accurately represented in the drawings. Our CAD drawings help clients visualize the electrical systems, identify any potential issues, and make informed decisions during the construction or renovation process. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading firm specializing in the design of substations in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience and expertise in the field, Scon Design is known for delivering high-quality and innovative substation designs that meet the specific requirements of clients. The design of substations is a critical aspect of any electrical distribution system, as it determines the functionality, efficiency, and safety of the entire system. Scon Design understands this importance and strives to provide designs that not only meet the technical specifications but also adhere to the industry standards and regulations. When it comes to the design of substations, Scon Design follows a meticulous process that ensures all aspects of the project are carefully considered. The team of highly skilled engineers at Scon Design starts by conducting a thorough analysis of the site and gathering all relevant information, such as load requirements, available space, and environmental factors. This initial assessment allows them to create a design that optimizes space utilization, minimizes losses, and maximizes the overall